If your GPU bill is climbing faster than your traffic, if you've watched a quantized model get lobotomized and couldn't explain why, or you want to actually understand what's inside the 4-bit checkpoints you're already running, this book is for you. Hi, I'm Vivek, and I'm here to tell you about my book, Quantization and Fast Inference, A Practitioner's Guide to Efficient AI. Every token an LLM generates burns energy. At production scale, a single replica draws as much power as an entire household year-round. Not because GPUs are doing hard math, but because they are shuffling billions of bytes through memory just to spit out the next word. That's the cost crisis nobody warned you about. It's why every team shipping LLMs today is quantizing them, whether they realize it or not. But most treat it as a black box. They flip load in 4-bit to true and hope for the best. Then Reddit catches fire when the model loses its edge. Once you understand the engineering decisions behind quantization, you can ship models that run several times faster, several times cheaper, without losing the accuracy that you fought for. Every chapter ships with runnable scripts. Every number came from real hardware and real models: OPT, Llama, BERT, ResNet, etc. No toy tensors, no fake benchmarks. The book is in 3 parts. The first covers the foundations: post-training quantization and quantization-aware training in PyTorch. The second moves to LLMs, GPTQ, AWQ, and deployment across ONNX Runtime, TensorRT, and TensorFlow Lite. The third pushes to the frontier: FP8, FP4, QLoRa, and the sub-8-bit world, reshaping what runs on modern hardware. Visit Manning.com to get your copy. Thanks for watching.